I have qualified chairman bonus 3 times. First was in London, that was level 1. Last year in Singapore, I achieved level 2, and this year I have achieved level 3. I hope it will be 3 times bigger than last time. If you are coming here in the forever, just work for chairman bonus, because chairman bonus can give you everything: a lifestyle, your happiness. This can fulfill your dreams. You will achieve everything, and it's a great pleasure. I was a motivator trainer, but I have left all the jobs. Now I'm doing only forever, and every time forever.